Confidence can be elusive, often influenced by others when it should come from within. The key is to take charge of your self-assurance by presenting yourself well, maintain good hygiene, wear clothing that makes you feel comfortable and confident, and practice good posture. Your body language can significantly affect how you perceive yourself and how others perceive you. Walking with purpose and maintaining eye contact will enhance your interactions. Additionally, smiling can ease social situations and reduce your stress. Be mindful of your body language to appear more approachable, and remember to acknowledge your strengths and accomplishments. Regularly reflecting on your positive attributes can help counteract any negative feelings and build your confidence. Lastly, identify any obstacles to your self-assurance and evaluate their validity to better understand and overcome them.